Are you feeling stuck, watching your income plateau no matter how hard you work? It's a frustrating cycle. You put in more hours, take on more stress, and for what? To see your bank account barely budge while your savings goals feel further away than ever. You're not alone in this. A recent study found that nearly 60% of professionals feel their income isn't keeping pace with their workload or the rising cost of living. That pressure is real. But what if the solution wasn't about working harder, but smarter? What if there was a system designed not just to earn more, but to optimize every dollar you already have, turning financial stress into financial strength? Forget the vague advice and complex jargon. We've distilled the process into a clear, actionable, step-by-step guide that you can implement immediately. In the next few minutes, we will walk through 3 foundational pillars to build a stronger financial future, starting today. This isn't about finding a second job or sacrificing your weekends. It's about creating an intelligent financial engine that works for you, giving you back control, clarity, and genuine peace of mind. Ready to transform your financial outlook and build the future you deserve? Let's begin. Step 1. Track every income source. Salary, side work, bonuses, everything counts. You can't grow what you don't measure. Step 2. Stop income leaks. Cancel unused subscriptions and small expenses that quietly reduce your potential. This frees money to invest in growth. Step 3. Monetize one skill you already have and stack it with your main income. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I don't have any skills people would pay for. But that's almost never true. We all have abilities that are valuable to someone else. It could be something you do at your 9 to 5, a hobby you've perfected over years, or even a natural talent you take for granted. The trick is identifying the right one. Let's use a simple matrix. On one axis, list things you're good at, from professional talents like coding to hobbies like graphic design. On the other axis, list things people are willing to pay for. Your sweet spot is where those two intersect. Take a client of mine, Sarah. She was the go-to person in her friend group for planning incredible, budget-friendly vacations. She never considered it a skill until she mapped it out. Trip planning was high on her good at list, and with the rise of complex travel, it was also high on the people will pay for list. Don't overthink it. Pick one skill that feels both enjoyable and in demand. Next, before you build a website or print business cards, you need to validate your idea. This is crucial. Find where your potential clients gather online. Maybe it's a LinkedIn group, a local Facebook community, or a specific forum. Post a simple, low-risk offer. For Sarah, it was a post in a neighborhood group offering a holiday travel planning package. Within a week, she had 3 paying clients, confirming there was real demand without her wasting time or money. This simple test is your most powerful first step. Now for pricing. Let's say you decide to offer freelance writing. A quick search shows that beginner rates are around $30 per hour. If you can find just 5 hours a week, maybe 2 evenings or a bit of time on the weekend, that's an extra $150 a week. That's $600 a month. Even a small extra stream can boost your monthly earnings significantly, helping you crush debt or build your savings faster. The key is to time block. Schedule those 5 hours in your calendar just like any other important appointment. This isn't if I have time money, this is scheduled, prioritized effort. Protect that time and watch your income grow. And there you have it. We've just walked through 3 powerful yet surprisingly simple pillars for transforming your financial landscape this month. It's not about finding some mythical, get-rich-quick scheme. It's about applying smart, strategic actions consistently to build real, sustainable wealth. Let's quickly recap the blueprint. First, we achieved clarity by mapping your income and expenses with precision. This foundational step isn't just about budgeting. It's about gaining the ultimate control over your cash flow, empowering you to make decisions with confidence. Second, we boosted your efficiency by auditing recurring expenses and cutting the financial dead weight. This isn't just about saving a few dollars. It's about immediately freeing up capital that you can redirect towards your goals, making your money work harder for you starting today. And third, we unlocked growth by identifying a high-value skill you already possess and outlining how to monetize it. This is where you stop trading time for money and start building an asset, a new income stream that generates profit and creates long-term financial resilience. These 3 steps, clarity, efficiency, and growth, are your fastest way to maximize income. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. True financial momentum comes from continuous learning and application. The key is to not just watch, but to act. To ensure you keep building on this progress, I invite you to subscribe to this channel for more actionable strategies. And for an even deeper dive, join our free weekly newsletter. Each edition is packed with exclusive tips, case studies, and frameworks designed to help you build an income that doesn't just grow, but truly compounds. In our next video, we'll explore how to automate your savings and investments, putting your financial growth on autopilot. The link to the newsletter is in the description below. Take that next step.